Today, we're adding a trippy double flip effect, a super fun and mind bending look that gives your video an energetic mirrored flip motion. Let's get started. First, import your video into CapCut and select it on the timeline. Now, tap on Effects at the bottom, go to Video Effects and open the Party tab. Here, search for double flip and tap to apply it directly to your clip. You'll instantly see your video flipping in a mirrored, colorful motion, giving it that trippy, fast paced feel. Now, let's fine tune it. Tap on the effect again to open the adjustment settings. You'll find a speed slider. Use this to control how quickly the flips happen. Slide it to the right for a fast, intense motion or to the left for a slower, dreamy effect. Next, adjust the lateral chromatic aberration slider. This adds that signature color split you see in trippy edits. The higher the value, the more vibrant and distorted your video will look. Once you've balanced both sliders, play it back. Your clip now has a hypnotic, psychedelic energy that's perfect for music videos, transitions, or creative short edits. And that's how you add the trippy double flip effect in CapCut Mobile. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and creative CapCut tips.